All right, so you're chilling in the car, you just got back from a car wash, and you notice your windows are extremely dirty still. You're like, why did that happen? I just spent $30 on a car wash, and my windows are still dirty. I'm gonna show you how to actually fully clean them. That way, whenever you actually do get another car wash, it'll actually be clean rather than feel clean, you know? We're also gonna be showing you how to remove the annoying stickers that are on your car still, whether it's the residue or the sticker themselves. We're gonna show you how to remove that. This method pretty much works for anyone. You know, you don't have to be a mechanic, you don't have to do that. You can pretty much buy this stuff at your local Home Depot or whatever. You're gonna need some steel wool. This is a super fine final finish. You can get this at Home Depot or pretty much any hardware store or online. I'll leave a link in the description for all the supplies. You're also going to need some soapy water. So this is just, you know, soap and water, like Dawn dish soap or something like that, anything like that. You're also going to need some sort of glass cleaner, a squeegee or microfiber if needed. This is probably going to be a long process depending on how bad the water spots are on your car. But what you're going to do is you're going to get your soapy water. You're going to get your steel wool as well. You're going to spray the whole area that you're going to work on. And you're going to just go in circles, go in up and down motions, go left to right, do whatever you got to do to make this as clean as possible. And you're going to be sitting there, I kid you not, for maybe 10 to 30 minutes per window. It's a tedious process and it takes a long time. You're going to keep adding soapy water as soon as it starts to dry. So mine isn't super bad, but I know there are windows out there that are really, really bad when it comes to the water spots. You just gotta sit at it, and you also have to do the other side as well. So not just the front, you gotta do the inside. So we're gonna keep doing this. I know mainly my front window is bad, so I'm gonna focus on that one. For tutorial's sake, we're just gonna use the passenger side. We're gonna put a lot of elbow grease into this. Maybe get 2 to 3 people to help you out because it's gonna be a long, long process. There probably are quicker ways to do it, but this is the cheapest way. Now I did do this on my sister's car. We will be having a pimped out video for her car. We're gonna be showing you car mods and everything else like that. Eventually, once that video does come out, I will show you guys, and I'll show you in the top right if it is out already. Wear gloves because you don't want the steel wool being embedded into your skin. I just recommend wearing gloves. Trust me, you don't want steel wool in your fingers. This is also a good tactic to use before you're tinting your windows. And look at that, that helped already, and I didn't even sit there for too long. If your windows aren't too bad, then it won't take too long. But, you know, if your windows are really bad, it will take a long time. But trust me, it is worth it. Don't stop the time frame from not letting you have good looking windows, because in the long run, you're gonna be really happy about it. So there you go. You pretty much finished that window completely front and back. That's what it's looking like. It's so clear that you can see a bunch of reflections. This is the main window you're going to be looking at anyways, so it makes sense. So we're going to focus on this one. We're going to clean it and come back. The front part is definitely a lot easier. Just split it in half and do like 10-minute intervals for both halves. All right, so when you are cleaning the inside, since you do have to spray it down, I recommend to put a towel over the entire dashboard to cover all the speakers, to cover pretty much anything that could get damaged. Cover it, including this. Make sure it's some lap over on that. You're actually able to take off the rear view mirror and get into those tighter areas behind the mirror itself. So make sure to take that off before you start. Wow, it's actually removing the sticker. That's good, because these stickers have been annoying for years. All right, so we pretty much did that in less than 5 minutes. Boom, stickers are gone, both of them, easily within the first 10 seconds. So this method works on stickers, anything that is very hard to get rid of. Pretty much this method will take out everything. So now I have an actual clean, clear window that I could fully see out of without those annoying stickers. And now we're gonna work on the right half. and clean that side as well. So what's your guys' favorite Call of Duty? I'm just playing right now. Boom, and just like that, you got rid of everything, all the water specks. Now it's super crystal clear. I do have a crack right there. I'll probably save that for another video. But this is the clean finished product. There's no stickers anymore whatsoever. It's super clean to look at. I'm looking at 8K right now, basically. It is super clean. So I really appreciate you guys for watching this video. I'm gonna have more car videos just out like this. Without further ado, if this helped you out, leave it down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. We out.